All right, example 9, convert 2.4 feet per second to meters per minute. So we've already dealt with some rate conversions here, this section, like I want to say yesterday, and even the other section 5.2, we had a little bit of it. I just wanted you to get really good at distinguishing between rates and, or I should say like units of length, units of time, that kind of stuff. So if I'm looking at 2.4 feet per second, I'm going to do all my units of length in blue and all of my units of length of time in black. All right, just using different colors to distinguish the things. All right, 2.4 feet per second. I'm trying to convert the unit of feet to the unit of meter, and I'm trying to convert the unit of seconds to the unit of minutes. All right, as I'm converting feet to meters, it has no effect on time. As I convert seconds to minutes, it has no effect on length. So one conversion has nothing to do with the other. I'm going to put them all in the same multiplication division string. It's just a matter of where you want to put them. It doesn't matter really. If I look up my facts about feet and meters on my page 312 here, 1 foot equals 30.48 centimeters. 1 inch equals 2.54 centimeters. Let's go with that one. So I know that 1 foot equals 12 inches. I know that 1 inch equals 2.54 centimeters. And I know that 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. Then I have a direct route from feet to meters, so I'm going to walk it through. So feet's going to change to inches, inches is going to change to centimeters, centimeters is going to change to meters, and I'll be in the right unit of length. All three of those are going to have an effect only on the top unit, feet being changed into a different unit of length. As far as time is concerned, we're going from seconds into minutes, and I know the facts about those. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. All your time stuff was on that other page, 293 I believe it was. But I think we all know that 60 seconds in a minute, so that wouldn't be too big of a deal to remember that one. So let's say I want to change the time one first. All right, so if currently seconds is in the denominator of this fraction, and I multiply by a fact involving the time of minutes and seconds here, I'm going to make sure the unit of second ends up in the top, unit of minute on the bottom, and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Put the units where they belong and then put the correct number with each unit where you put it. 1 unit of second on the bottom, 1 unit of second on top is going to cancel seconds, and now all of a sudden I have feet per minute. So again, the unit of second has been successfully converted to minutes. That part's been taken care of. We don't have to even worry about time anymore. It's already been taken care of. Now we just have to worry about the length. And the length to begin with was 2.4 feet. I'm going to do 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. Currently foot resides in the numerator, so I'm going to put foot in the denominator. Again, once you establish position, that is where things are. You need to put the opposite position of the same unit to get rid of it. So these are the facts. 1 foot and 12 inches are equal. 1 foot has to go on the bottom so that foot cancels foot. 12 inches has to go on top because it goes the other spot. Now I'm in inches. I'm going to next go to centimeters. And currently inches lives in the top. So when I make my inches and centimeters facts over here, I need to put inches on the bottom, centimeters on top, and 1 inch equals 2.54 centimeters. Inch on top, inch on bottom cancel. Centimeters is now the unit of length we're dealing with. And finally, I want to go from centimeters to meters. Currently centimeters is in the top, so I need centimeters in the bottom to cancel it. 1 on bottom, 1 on top. Run away from me there. And then meters on top, and 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. Again, the numbers are right there. I just need to put the units where they belong, and then put the numbers with the right units. So that entire sequence is how I'm going to convert from that first unit, feet per second, into the second unit, meters per minute. Notice, meters on top, minutes on the bottom. The end result of all this unit conversion gets me the correct unit on my answer. I just need to get the number with it, so it's going to be 2.4 times 60 times 12 times 2.54 divided by 100. Okay? All the ones do nothing. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 equals 1, times 1 makes the same number, divided by 1 makes the same number. Get my calculator out, and and I just type it in. So 2.4 times 60 times 12 times 2.54 divided by 100. Comes out to 43.8912 meters per minute. Again, the final step in the problem is dealing with the significant digits, getting the right rounding based on what we're looking at. Our original measurement is 2.4, which has 2 sig figs. I need this to have 2 sig figs. 43.8 rounded to the nearest 2 digits is 44. They're both significant at this point, so I'm done there. Again, if it had been like 39.8, all of a sudden it's 40, we got to put that bar over the 0 to make the second sig fig in our answer. Round it correctly, and then make sure the number of sig figs is there. If the 0 is there, that's not significant, you bar it, or if you put .0 to get that second sig fig if you need it.